Legs! Oh, his tongue's back normal right now.
No,
Like,
it's not, is it?
yeah. He's like, oh, you're gonna bring out the camera? I gotta put my tongue normal.
Ugh, I'm not cut out for this, Mom.
Sawyer's enjoying the river walk. As he does with everything we do.
Trying to enjoy the sun that is now.
Yeah, the skies were super blue. And it was super sunny.
Yeah, it's February 15th?
February 15th. 16th.
16th.
It's 18 degrees. Back home the snow is up to
Look at
the...
this girl kicking it with her stroller.
That's gonna be you. Hey Lou. Look, there's the snow. There's the snow. Every time I take a picture or video of him, he puts his tongue normal. I'm fit, right? What?
Yeah, go here.
I can be fit too.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Go. Look at these little...
My flip-flops.
Oh, Mom. I'm tired.
Look, I'll be so fit. Watch this. I'll take that.
Oh, hurry up, someone's coming.
Show me how fit you are, love. Get fit. Woo, go girl. You run those weenas. It looks like you're running some rats on a leash. Go around the loopy loop. I think the dogs are going to end up in the stroller. You're missing it all, dude. You woke up long enough to cry.
They have Alabama symbols on everything.
Whee. You gonna wake up and take in the scenery? No? Oh, big yawn. Big yawn. Good morning. Good afternoon, I should say. Are you tired, buddy?
Alright, come on, buddy. Lucy living it up. Free birding it.
Oh, I got tired, Mom. I'm a senior. I can't
Yeah,
walk
I see that, Luce.
Hanging out with my brother. He ain't heavy. He's my brother. Stay here. Stay here, girlfriend. Stay here,
Lucy.
girlfriend.
What are you doing, Luce?
Standing on his guts, sorry. Stay. Toots goes down.
Here.
I don't trust her. Look at you, girl. Riding in style.
I think if I was in her.
Tradesies.
Come on, kids.
Tradesies. Come on. I got stuck with the menaces. There he is.
Wait, Mom.
Look how bright-eyed you are now.
Mom.
Hi, fella.
Hi, Boo Boo.
Where you at, bud? Getting some fresh air? Keep going, Mom.
Mom, I want to eat that. Yeah.
Uh-oh, we're all tangled. Tangled. Hold on. There we go. Hey, come on, guys.
No.
Let's go. Get on the sidewalk. Lucy, wait. Oh. Her paw. Oh, Lord. What a mission.
I think she's trying to use it.
No, she's trying to eat stuff.
Lucy,
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. On the sidewalk. No. Oh, my gosh. Come here.
You guys in the duck?
Yeah, shorten your leash. There. Hi, Sawyer.
Hurry up, Mom.
Back to your leg. Look at those feet.
His shoes are like claw hop. I don't even know what that word is.
Look at those lips.
Oh, chubba, chubba, chubba.
That's a wubba. Guys, aren't you tired of pulling? God, those legs, you're gonna get run over. Oh Lord. Mom! You want me over? Yeah, you almost ran them into the ditch.
He's like fighting so hard.
Are you tired, buddy? Are you so tired?
Tired, Mom.